Good day. My name is Martin Hallowell. I'm the founder of the HC Group of companies. Today, I'd like to give you a brief introduction, and we'll have on-site orientation for all people working on this site. This is part of that orientation. This project involves the HCM Shotcrete division. It's a division of HC Macon Inc., which is located in Cambridge, Ontario. It does specialty foundation and restoration work, excavation support. Many of you may have heard of this company. We're a partner of 183 in Toronto, 793, and we believe in win-win relationships with customers. We certainly aspire that everybody works safely. And this project will be demanding at times. We call this project the 108-inch Markham sewer project rehab. Essentially, it's several stages. Stage one is to seal the leaks. Although this tunnel is not that old, it does have leaks every 3 meters in the joints and cracks in the actual pipe itself, which was a tunnel project. This is a sewer from Markham to Lakeview, a total of 22 kilometers, and we're dealing with 2 stages, 1.5 kilometers each. That would require 2 shifts, 3 crews per shift, approximately 15 to 18 men per shift. And this is a union project. Our stage one, to seal the leaks, with the HCM Shotcrete team that will welcome you aboard, would be using a unique system called CN2000. This system is 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. And there is a leg of this orientation that gets into early introduction to the key success factors of surface prep, the mixing ratios, which have to be done on a volume basis as it relates to weight measure. We're working with Seal Boss as a polyurethane injection product. Some of the active leaks will be, the water will be stopped with that. And then the ABCD, which I'll leave for the training video to come. This is an overview for all members working on this site. Stage 2 is Milliken Structural, which is a 4-inch, essentially sprayed structural liner. The requirement is that the sewer be free of active leaks, and that causes our need as what we would call negative side waterproofing specialists. So when civil structures or parking structures leak from the inside, you can't always dig them up on the outside. This sewer would be an example. The sewer is approximately 150 feet below grade. There'll be a high degree of safety and planning by Michaels, which we want full cooperation in every crew, every person to go home safely. We don't see the work as unsafe per se, but it's a question of pace and cooperation and teamwork. Gives me an opportunity to mention our 4 core values, which we bring to every project and which we aspire to in our office and in our shop support teams. Our first core value is teamwork. This is perhaps the number 1 value. This requires people to help each other, to give feedback directly, to reduce talking behind people's backs, and to hold team members accountable for the job they do. Each crew will typically consist of a working lead hand or foreman and 2 helpers. So a 3-man working crew and 1 CN2000 QC engineer. The system does have to be measured carefully, recorded for progress, and this allows the non-working individual to help with the crack mapping, the actual production measurements, the time cards, the adherence to the safety standard, and each crew, 3 at night, 3 during the day, will contain this QC element. So they're small teams. In addition, each night and day shift will have a staging crew, and they'll be bringing the material to the working teams that'll be spaced in different phases throughout the tunnel. And it's our hope that we're able to achieve the schedule goals of Michael's. There's been a lot of thought going into the project, a lot of teamwork. There's some very good engineers. Kelso, the distributor for CN2000, is very supportive, and we believe that this will be a successful project that'll go in stages all the way to Lakeview. With your cooperation, with teamwork, we hope to have a safe and successful project. Please refer to the subsequent videos for the details, and training and teamwork will get this done. Thanks very much.